I'm Jamie Hooper with jamiehooper.com and Remax Crest, and we're here today with Nate McAvoy of Dominion Mortgages, and he's going to explain to us the new changes to the banking regulations for qualifying for a mortgage. So Nate, the first question we want to ask you is who did this? What part of the government did this, and what was the reasoning behind it?
Well, it was definitely the Liberal government, and it's our banking regulator, OSFI, or the Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions, and they're the ones that came up with the rules and put them in place. They did it with our finance minister, Bill Morneau.
And what kind of effect do you see this having on buyers? What's it going to do? Is it going to cost them more to pay for their mortgage, or?
It's not going to cost them more. That's not the effect at all. What it is going to do, it's going to reduce their borrowing power, and it's going to reduce it by about 20%. So currently, right now, before January 1st, when these rules take effect, if you are a household or an individual and you make about $100,000 a year, you can qualify to purchase about a $700,000 property. Now, after January 1st, once these rules are in effect, your buying power reduces by 20%, so that $700,000 property is now $550,000. Yeah, essentially $550,000. Yeah.
Wow, that's a big difference.
$550,000, $560,000. Yeah. So basically, it's going to bring everybody down out of where they're trying to get their home. It's going to bring them down a notch for sure.
Right. So there's some incentive for people to get something done before January 1st.
Definitely. And on top of people just purchasing, if you're looking to refinance your current property, maybe you've built up equity over the past 5, 10, 15, 20 years, you've got all this equity and you want to pull some of that equity out to invest into a new property, into the stock market, whichever, you are going to now have to qualify on this new stress test as well. The only way you can sort of avoid the stress test is just keep on renewing inside your own financial institution without changing anything.
Wow. Okay. Well, that's some great insight. We appreciate it. Thanks for taking the time. If you want to get a hold of Nate McAvoy, they can get a hold of you. What's your email address and phone number?
nmcavoy@dominionlending.ca, and you can get a hold of me by phone 604-250-4893.
Thanks for taking the time, and we look forward to speaking with you again soon.